going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the new World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. The last 2 videos that I put in my Patreon are mandatory, so therefore you can wake up out of your sleep. And then plus, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And as we know, CME opened last night. We know it's going to swing us either way. Of course, we've received that dump as we can see. But remember what I told you, because of Christmas, we're going to have all that liquidity from the stock market come into crypto. So do not allow this dip to scare you. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. And this is the time where it's very important when you study those 1, 2, or 3 cryptos where you can take advantage of these dips. Now, guys, we have Ray Dalio, impressed on how Bitcoin survived the decade. Is this true? No, guys, we know it's not true. We know billionaires only tell us half truth. He knew all about the 4th Industrial Revolution. Where is Ray Dalio heavy invested? That's right, guys, China. He knows the plan. That's all he ever talks about is a battle between the U.S. and China. He knows all about the 4th Industrial Revolution, the robots, algorithms, and drones that take humanity out of the economy. He knows all about it, believe me. Now we have 1 Bitcoin is over 800,000 Turkish lira. Guys, the central banks are doing a job. But you wait and see what they do in America, the Babylon. Remember, they can't wait to take America to its knees. Now we have Ethereum drops over 12.5 million worth of futures liquidated. Now, guys, do not forget about the indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, and we have USDC. Stablecoin supply has gained over 388% this year. And remember, guys, the Fed controls cryptos through stablecoins, the same way it controls the stock market through dollars. And do not forget to pay attention to the Fed. As we can see, the repo went up another $100 billion. So, guys, we definitely see the manipulation. Just make sure you're staying focused. And then plus Grayscale. Grayscale, well, we know they're buying and selling billions. That swings the market also. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Parachain officially launched on Polkadot Network. We have 5 Parachains went live this weekend. Now, we have Dubai World Trade Center to create a new crypto hub and become a regulator. And guys, we know all about the Middle East is moving right along with the emerging markets. We know Ripple, XLM have been all over the Middle East. And we know how important cross-border payments are going to be. as soon as the digital yuan launches and it's officially launched worldwide, it's going to put a ripple effect in the economy because now they'll be able to move oil with that digital yuan across the globe. Now we have that push for carbon neutral energy, and we know as soon as Biden got in, that's all he talked about was clean energy, which has caused energy prices to go sky high. And remember, guys, this is all part of a plan. If you followed my Cryptoteacher stock channel, I went over energy and how energy was going to pay off big. And as we can see, it definitely has, because they're pushing these prices up. And then lastly, guys, we have FTX US scores deal with owner of Washington Wizards. So guys, we're seeing crypto being placed everywhere. Remember, if it's an image, the people will see it and then they will believe it. And remember, the New World Order doesn't care about the older generation. This is for the millennials and Generation Z, because this is all they're going to know. Right now, we're in the third industrial revolution. Now they're going to move us over to the fourth industrial revolution that does not include humanity. Get your friends and family educated, because starting in 2022, there will be pain that comes to America to Babylon. And remember, the Cryptoteacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks to see where the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.